Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can insert pictures in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. This is our Excel sheet. Here, to insert any picture, go to Insert menu, click Pictures, and go to the place where you saved any picture. I saved a school image in on my desktop. I'm selecting this, Insert. So this is how we can get any picture. Now I'm resizing it. I want to fit in this place like this. So this is how you can insert and resize your picture. Another way to insert picture is go to insert, click on online pictures. Here some pictures are already given by default. You can select from any of these pictures. For example, if you want to select an image of Apple, go to click on this. You will see different images of Apple. Select this, insert, you get the image. Now resize it, and you can keep anywhere you like. One thing, when you will insert a picture from online sources, then you will get this another dialog box here. You don't need this. So to delete this, click, because both of them are selected now. So click outside. Now both of them are unselected. Now click on this. This is selected, and when this icon appeared, click on this. Now this box is selected. Click delete. This will be deleted. So this is how you can select a picture from online sources. Now I'm doing it again. Okay, if you think if you don't like any pictures from these available pictures, then you can also search and get it from the internet. uh, I'm typing school pictures. You will see few pictures of school. You can select anyone, then click on. You can also select multiple pictures, okay, by uh, control, and you can press control button and you can click, okay. And if you want to unselect, then press control and click again. So for now we are selecting just only one picture. Insert one. It is showing that one picture is selected, so we can click on insert here. Now we have to resize it. See, whenever you take any pictures from the internet, you will have this extra box. So now delete that. Sizing it. So this is how you can insert pictures in an Excel worksheet. Now I will show you how you can add a background picture, a background image in your Excel sheet. So let's start. uh, Here there are several methods you can use a background picture. I'm showing one way, that you can go to page layout, and this is the background option. Then you will get this option where you click work offline, and then go to desktop and select a solid color. The reason I'm selecting solid color is solid and light color, so that these data points we can show this very clearly. Otherwise, if there is an image here, or the color is dark, then this will not be clear. Okay, so this is how we can add a background picture, and now we can also add different data here. Okay, we can include any column, rows, or we can include any data point. While we type, it will appear white, but when it's done, then it will be gray again. Okay, so this is how we can add background image. I'm showing you another way. And pressing Ctrl Z to go one step before. Okay, okay. Now I'm showing you another way. You can select, go to insert and select a shape. I'm taking this rectangular shape, and you should draw a shape uh, from any point to any point you like. Okay, I am selecting only this data range. Okay, because here I want to add the background image. Now we can select this shape and put our mouse pointer in this shape. Right click, format shape. Uh, we can we can see these three icon. From this icon, we have to select fill and then picture. We have to select our picture. So we are going to the place where we kept our picture. I'm selecting this one and insert. Okay, so the picture is has inserted, uh, but we cannot see the data, so we have to increase our transparency. Now we can see that our data has a background image, but one thing, we cannot enter or edit any data from here. We can see that we cannot select any data because the picture has been set on top of the data point. Okay, so if you want to after adding the background image, if you want to make an edit, so you can set aside the picture like this, then you can make your edit, or you can add any column. Then you can, you have to replace your picture like that. You can stretch your background image like this. So this is another way through which you can add background image. Thank you very much.